I get asked, I snore a lot. What can I do to help that? Some things you can do to help your snoring is to sleep on your side, to elevate the head of your bed, to lose weight, to avoid drinking alcohol before bed, and to treat nasal obstruction such as chronic allergies. It's important to remember, though, that snoring may be more than just a nuisance to those around you, but may also indicate a more serious medical condition such as obstructive sleep apnea. This can be detrimental to your overall health, such as high blood pressure and heart disease. So if you snore loudly and are tired during the day, you should bring this to the attention of your physician. For more information, find us on YouTube or go to our website at bassmedicalgroup.com.